शिक्षा यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और नए अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन पे क्लिक करें।
Have you always been dreaming of becoming an IAS officer? If yes, now is the time. A very warm welcome to Shiksha.com. Today, we will help you fill the UPSC 2020 application form. But before we begin, let us quickly understand what UPSC IAS examination is all about. The Indian Administrative Services Exam or the IAS exam is a test conducted by the Union Public Services Commission UPSC to recruit eligible candidates to all India services, which includes IAS, IPS, IFS and many other Group A and Group B services. Candidates applying for IAS exam must hold a graduation degree in any discipline from recognized university. Since the application forms are out now and the last date to fill the same is 3rd March 2020, you should know how to fill the UPSC examination form. But before we begin, we would advise you to fill in the application form from the desktop browser as the official website of UPSC is not well supported on the mobile browser. In the Google search bar of your browser, type UPSC. Click on the very first link of the search result, which is the official website of UPSC. Scroll down and hit the Apply Online button. A new page opens up wherein you need to click on Online application for various examinations. Here, you will be able to see the closing date of the application form, which is 3rd March 2020. Click on the adjacent link which says, click here for Part 1 registration. An instruction page opens up which has all the necessary instructions related to Part 1 form filling. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Yes. The application form opens up. Start with filling in your name, gender, date of birth, your father's and mother's name, nationality, your marital status. Select No from the drop down if you do not have any disability. In case of Yes, click on Yes and mention the details. Proceed with selecting the community you belong from the drop down menu. Select the minority detail if you belong to any. In the next category of the application form, select your educational qualifications along with your stream. Now, you need to fill in the address details along with your state, district and PIN code. Then type your mobile number and your email ID. Once you have successfully filled all your details, click on Continue. You will be redirected to the next page of your application form. If you wish to claim for age relaxation, click on Yes and address the required actions, else hit the Continue button. In the next page, begin with selecting the type of photo ID card you wish to produce to claim your identity. The options you have are Aadhaar card, driving license, PAN card, passport, voter ID card or a photo ID issued by central or state government. Type the identity card number in the next vacant box. Re-enter the same number to confirm your ID card number. Then type your graduation percentage. In the next application form heading, begin with choosing your preferred location for Civil Services main examination. Then choose the language you wish to appear for the exam. Then choose the optional subject for paper 6 and paper 7. Select the language for your optional paper and click on Continue. The verification page opens up wherein you need to go through all the filled details carefully. Once checked, type the CAPTCHA code and click on I agree. Once done, proceed to the Part 2 registration. Type your registration ID, date of birth and the CAPTCHA to log in for Part 2 application form. Click on Print Slip. Choose the payment mode for paying the application fee of ₹100. You can choose either of the option, which is through cash, card or net banking. If you wish to pay through cash, the mode for application fee will deactivate on March 2, 2020. A challan receipt will open which you can visit any nearby SBI branch and pay the challan through cash. Else, proceed with online transaction. Once your payment is processed, you will be redirected to the next step of the application form. Here, you need to click on Update Payment Status, click on Continue. Choose the preferred examination center and click on Submit. In the next step, upload the scanned images of your passport size photograph, signature and photo ID card. Before uploading, you should know that the photograph and the scanned image of signature will be JPG format, while the photo ID proof should be in PDF format. The image size of photograph, signature and photo ID proof should be more than 20 KB and less than 300 KB. And the image resolution of the scanned photograph and signature should be 350 into 350 pixels as a minimum and 1000 into 1000 pixels for maximum. You can click on the click here link to resize the image. Once done, click on upload image and then finally click on continue. The final page will open up wherein you need to fill your Aadhaar card number or the virtual ID number and click on I agree to confirm the declaration agreement. Now, finally you need to click on the print application form to save the filled application form for future reference. That was all about filling the UPSC IAS registration and application form 2020. Feel free to reach out to us in case of queries in the comment section below. Keep watching our channel for more exam, college and course related videos. And if you like this video, hit the like and share button and also subscribe to Shiksha.com.